Hello and welcome to this video on Microsoft Teams. I'm Casey Cook with Biz Technology Solutions, and in this video I want to focus on the chat features of Microsoft Teams. So by default, Teams is meant to be a collaboration platform for larger groups, whether that be a project team or a department inside of your organization. But what happens if you want to have a private chat, whether that be with a single person or with a smaller group of people? That's where the chat tab is going to come in handy. So over on the left-hand side navigation, I'm going to click on the chat tab here. You can see there are a few chats that have already taken place with Megan, our demo user. If I want to start a new chat, I'm just going to click on the new chat button up here. And then as I start to type people's names, you'll see it'll actually search our Office 365 directory for anybody that matches that. So I'm going to choose Grady here. Let's say we start having a chat with Grady, and then we decide we should loop in somebody else into the chat. This is where the Add People button is going to come into handy. So I'm going to click Add People, then start typing somebody's name. You'll see it'll allow me to drag additional people into this conversation. Now, if we know that this is going to be a group that we talk to fairly often, what we can do is rename it. So let's say that this is going to be a design planning team. So I'm going to change the name to design planning. This is where we can continue to share files and chat with each other. And once that planning is done, we can always remove that team if need be. If we know it's a team that we're going to use fairly often, we can always pin it too. So what I'm going to do is choose more options and then pin. And this is going to keep the team at the top so they can always kind of have quick access to be able to chat with them. And like I mentioned, once we're done with the team, I can just choose to hide it. This isn't going to delete any of the files that were shared or any of the conversations. It's just going to hide it from your feed so that you don't see it. That is all for this video. I'll see you in the next.